Alright, so for the first reassessment video, we're going to do addition algorithm. So let's go back to the definition of addition. So addition is when you combine two or more independent quantities to get one quantity. Then you count the resulting quantity to get the grand total. So let's do a word problem to better understand this. So Becky has 16 pencils. Her friend Tom has 15 pens. If you combine the two groups of writing utensils, how many are there in total? So just like the definition says, you have two independent groups. So that would be the 16 pencils and the 15 pens. And then you count the resulting quantity to get the grand total. So how many there in total? So to do this, we need to add these two independent groups. So we're going to write this vertically and use base 10 and the blocks to better understand this. So the 16 pens right here, we can write this out in blocks, so that would be one rod and 6 singles. Alright, and then 15 would be one rod and 5 singles. So now we can do this in sub-problems or divide this problem up to make it easier, and it's more efficient to first do 6 plus 5 and add that, and then do 1 plus 1 and add that. It's just a lot easier, and instead of adding up 16 plus 15, you can divide it up because they're different units. So this is 6 plus 5 singles, and this is a different unit, 1 plus 1 rods. So you can't add up different units together. You want to divide it up. So first let's do 6 plus 5. So we are in the singles unit. Alright, so you have 6 here and 5 here. Now since we are doing sub-problems, we can write this out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so then we combine this, add this up to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1 left over. So since we are on base 10, which base 10 consists of a rod would be 10 singles. So this can be added up to 10 singles is one rod, and since we are in base 10, we have 1 single left over. Alright, so since we can divide this problem up into sub-problems, we take this 1 single and put it right here. That would be 1. And then we have 1 rod, and since this is 6 plus 5, that is the singles place, we have to move this up here to the rod's place. So we carry the 1. Now we have two independent quantities to get one quantity. So we have these two independent. We add 1 plus 1 plus this 1, because this was combined into a rod. So we actually have 1, 2, 3 rods together, which gives you 31. And to go back to the definition, when you combine two independent groups, so 16 pencils plus 15 pens, to get one quantity, which is 31 writing utensils all together. And you can divide this up because we are working in different units. This is the unit of singles, this is the unit of rods, and it's just a lot efficient. It's more efficient and a lot faster and easier to divide it up because we're working with different types of blocks, singles and rods. Thank you.